Note, in 3x3 Sudoku, a variation of the standard 9x9. You fill a 3x3 grid with numbers 1 through 3, ensuring that each row, each column, and the 3x3 grid itself contain each digit from 1 to 3 exactly once without any repeats. The challenge comes from using logic to place the numbers, as the goal is to correctly fill the grid by following these simple but strict rules.
Please subscribe to our channel, share, like and comment. Also follow and save on Instagram page. Thank you and see you soon in next video.